What happened that day on her birthday, I actually didn't want to go. I didn't want to go because she was being so mean to me. As soon as I sang Miss Independent, lahat sila, they all lined up at the door. And then nagulat ako nung pumila na si Chiki. It was like a little kaba, little happiness. And she grabbed my hand. You know, we touch. Siguro nga, may malakas yung kuryente namin pag magkasama. That was the night everything changed. And it was because I went. And then, the rest is history. Ever since then, I've been taking it one step at a time.
Si Katie pa rin ang naging dahilan. Kaya pala na-invite ko siya nung birthday ko. Aksidente lang yun ang in-invite ko siya, ha?
Alam mo, sabi ko kasi talaga, last year, ayoko na talaga mag-partner. No na. Single for life na talaga. Hindi tayo nagmamadali ngayon. Gusto ko if magkaka-partner ako yung kasundo ko. Yung hindi ko kailangan mag-explain kung anong mood ko. Gusto ko naiintindihan ako ganon. Tapos ang hinahanap ko guys na kasama is companion. Hindi lover.